Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hey, what's up guys? Meet with me again in News CNC channel. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show the simple tips or little trick how to make our Google Doc available for offline. This will useful if you want to edit or viewing document with offline mode. Okay, now you must open first URL is this guys you can see here docs.google.com/document. For example, because I already logged in using my account, I have this my account in Google Document. Now, for example, this is our start new document. How to make it available on offline? You can download app on Play Store for Google Document. After that, uh, you can go to this setting, and you can see here there is an option to create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs file on this device while offline. It means if your device is connected to internet, it will synchronize while you on and then you are offline. With your recent Google document, you will can edit your anything document, for example. Okay, you can just click OK in here. Then you can start creating a document using your phone, for example, or your device. For example, this is my document. Okay, after you creating anything document, you can save. Just click the share button in here, and for example, my document file, for example, that I just click save, and we can share with any person in here, but I will just click done in here. Okay, that's all tutorial how to make Google Documents available for offline mode. Okay, it will need synchronize after you online and offline. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.